Restore is a great option for our residents to be able to have that connectivity and be able to have fun at the same time is a great benefit for everyone here.
It's opened up a lot of new experiences for the patients. They've been able to engage more, and especially with COVID, they're able to have more fun.
Keeps your mind active, keeps your body active, depending on whether you're standing and moving, balance. I think it builds motor skills and cognitive issues. I
think it's something different, keeps their muscles going. It is fun for them. Like, they love the slot machine and they feel like they're at the casino. I would tell them it's a very good program. It keeps their mind sharp because they have to focus. They have a good time and they don't realize that they're helping themselves while they're having a good time.
Much better patient outcomes. They're being able to do things without really realizing that they're doing a part of therapy, and that makes things go by a lot easier when you have folks that maybe aren't understanding the processes on a lot of things. They don't realize that they're just having fun, but they're getting benefit out of it at the same time.
I've noticed that patients are more willing to participate in therapy aspects. They're more willing to get up on the edge of the bed and do things if they're playing something. They don't realize they're doing therapy.
You're able to branch out into new avenues for your patients without them knowing that it's work on those things, and being able to have a therapy program based around fun is the best of both worlds.